This is a shrimp spaghetti pasta with sun-dried tomatoes, shrimp, and spinach. And this is really good, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to cook a shrimp pasta. So we're gonna slice our ingredient: onion, I'm just gonna slice this into two. Right here we are boiling a spaghetti pasta. This has been boiling for like 15 minutes. I just want to boil this a little bit more until it gets tender. We're going to slice our fresh parsley. We're just going to slice it roughly. Right here, we marinated our shrimp with dash flavoring, black pepper, smoked paprika. Our pasta is cooked and drained. We're just gonna pour some olive oil. That way it won't stick together. So I'm just gonna slice our grape tomato. We're just gonna remove this one. So just let me continue doing this. Also, we're gonna use 2 bags of spinach, public spinach, and bottle of sun-dried tomatoes. It's already pre-cut and seasoned with olive oil. You can buy sun-dried tomatoes from a grocery store, Walmart, and Publix, or wherever. We'll put our garlic. I don't want to burn this because we're cooking pasta. So I'm just gonna saute this a little bit. Next, onion. Next, we're gonna pour our shrimp. So we're just gonna keep mixing this, and then we're gonna mix all of the rest ingredients. Next, we're gonna put our tomatoes, just like that. And we'll just get the tomatoes and shrimp combined all together. Let these tomatoes to get cooked. Next, we're gonna pour our sun-dried tomatoes. I'm gonna use all of it because I like sun-dried tomatoes in my pasta. Looks so good. So we're just gonna let this cook all together, guys. Next, we're gonna zest our lemon. Smells so good, you guys. Okay, that's it. Next, we're gonna pour our spinach. This is a healthy dish. Next, we're gonna put our pasta. just gonna dump everything in here. And then we're just gonna mix it. All the flavoring will combine. This is very easy to make. And also not too expensive to make. Alright, we're just gonna mix all of this and then we're gonna eat. We're gonna pour our parsley. You're not gonna feel guilty eating this because there's a vegetable in it. Smells really good. We're gonna pour some Parmesan cheese. And we're gonna turn off the heat. So guys, we are ready to eat. This is already cooked. This is really delicious pasta recipe. You can try it and you can add any vegetables that you like in this recipe. It just happened I like tomatoes and spinach. There you go. Bon appetit! So this is the second time around that I made this recipe because my husband and my kid, he loves to eat this. They like it when the first time I made this. This is a shrimp spaghetti pasta with sun-dried tomatoes, shrimp, and spinach. Also, I put some parsley and onion and garlic, olive oil, and of course spinach, if I didn't mention that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and you can leave your comment down below. Thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye.